Germany, a country synonymous with precision engineering and a passion for automobiles. How did this small nation become a global car manufacturing powerhouse? Let's explore the history of German car manufacturing, from its humble beginnings to world leadership. It began in the late 19th century with pioneers like Karl Benz, who created the first automobile powered by an internal combustion engine. Companies like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and Audi emerged, shaping the future of the automotive industry. It all began in 1886 when Karl Benz, a German engineer, revolutionized transportation with the creation of the Benz Patent-Motorwagen, the world's first automobile powered by an internal combustion engine. This groundbreaking invention marked the birth of the modern car, and it all started right here in Germany. As the 20th century dawned, other pioneers like Gottlieb Daimler and Wilhelm Maybach joined the race. These visionaries laid the foundation for companies that would later merge to form the automotive giants we know today, Mercedes-Benz and Daimler AG. The competition was fierce, but it fueled rapid advancements in technology and design. The interwar years were challenging, marked by economic turmoil and hyperinflation. The Treaty of Versailles had left Germany in a state of financial ruin. Political instability was rampant, with the Weimar Republic struggling to maintain control amidst rising extremism. The rise of the Nazi regime in the 1930s, led by Adolf Hitler, brought a new focus on engineering and production. The German government, under Hitler's direction, poured resources into the automotive industry, leading to the creation of iconic vehicles like the Volkswagen Beetle, designed by Ferdinand Porsche. The Beetle was envisioned as the people's car, affordable and accessible to all. This period saw the merging of political ambition with industrial innovation, setting the stage for Germany's automotive legacy. World War II devastated Germany, leaving its factories in ruins. But the German spirit of resilience and innovation was unbroken. The post-war era saw a remarkable recovery, often referred to as the Wirtschaftswunder, or economic miracle. German car manufacturers rebuilt their operations from the ground up, leading to a boom in production and the emergence of new icons like the BMW 3 Series and the Porsche 911. By the late 20th century, German automakers had solidified their reputation for producing high-quality luxury vehicles. Brands like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Audi, and Porsche became symbols of performance, elegance, and engineering excellence. Their cars weren't just modes of transportation, they were works of art designed to push the boundaries of speed, safety, and style. Today, German car manufacturers continue to lead the way in automotive innovation. From the development of electric and hybrid vehicles to the integration of autonomous driving technology, Germany remains at the forefront of the industry's evolution. In the early 21st century, German engineers pioneered advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assistance. Brands like Tesla may dominate the headlines, but the legacy of German engineering is undeniable. With innovations such as the first mass-produced hydrogen fuel cell vehicle and cutting-edge infotainment systems, it's clear that the future of driving will be shaped by these automotive giants. The story of German car manufacturing is one of innovation, resilience, and a relentless pursuit of perfection. From the first Patent-Motorwagen to the cutting-edge vehicles of today, Germany has left an indelible mark on the automotive world. And as we look to the future, one thing is certain: German engineering will continue to drive the industry forward. If you enjoyed this journey through the history of German car manufacturing, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more deep dives into the world of automotive innovation. Thanks for watching.